Oh. I didn't even like really listen to the song.
Ope.
Talaga lang ha.
Saan ka galing?
Kabila.
Saan ka galing?
Michael Jackson me.
Yan, mga ganyan
Cute
lang.
nga yung ganyan eh.
Yan, ganyan lang.
Cute yan.
That's it. You got it.
Ay, nako. Gaganyan ako.
Gusto ko yan. Sige.
Don't worry, pipilitin ko self ko. Kahit ano ipagawa niyo.
Grabe, kahit ano yung paggawa. Lululululu. Ate Jo, nagiging wild na ako. Lululululu.
Hindi ka din pala ang step. Bakit?
Yan na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Keep forgetting what it is.
Are we doing 3, 3, 6? Like 3 people and
Yeah.
6?
Doing them three first. Right? Or us three first?
Pwede. Sing ganon. Tatlo muna kahit tas ano.
Pwede
Yeah,
din.
you guys first and then us.
Roy, me, and Jerry
You have a
Paul.
6 down?
Ano? Oh, Denise!
Dinis pa. Con Carlo. You don't want to sing, right? You don't want to sing, right?
Oh my God! Pressure na ako. Kailangan ko mag-change ng show.
Kuya,
Kuya, wala rin ako. Kuya, heels lang pinadala. Heels lang meron.
Patanggal na lang sa langgot si kuya. Ay, sa asako.
Oy, nabalik na yung mga damit namin. Galing
Kailan?
sa looban. Nandiyan na sa
Ba't ako
laundry.
hindi?
Oh?
Andun na.
Paano nila lamang damit nyo? No!
Kuya na mag-participate ang lahat.
Kasama kami?
Oh, lahat daw. So we need to stop. So we need to do something fun.
Kuya, I was too much.
Something fun daw, something fun.
Something fun?
Something fun.
Sige. Wow.
Sige.
Hindi, sige. Something fun.
Something fun. Any ideas?
Wait, and I have something for Pamo planned out already. Yung
Yeah.
pangalan nila.
We have an hour to do it.
Gawa ka ng team tayo. Something fun. Ano ba?
Me and you were
Saan ang galing?
may card kami for sa
For kabila.
may
Sige.
ako card.
Sige, tigisa. Ako din may card. Gawa na
Something
din.
fun doon!
Something fun.
daw eh. Ano ba?
Yeah, well, this is fun.
Let's do it. Ano?
Okay.
I want to hear her cry.
And 1 for you.
Something fun. Si Pamo.
Okay.
Bye.
Fun.
Carlo, we're gonna make a diploma.
Sige na, sige. Okay. I'll do the plain sipit.
Tikit eh.
Sipit.
Maging, latag na.
Tapos ano ba?
Sige.
Big smiling
Sige,
face.
kahit
Tigisa ba tayo o isa na lang?
One big, ano
Sa
dyan?
concert na
One
lang.
big gift or
Ikaw.
individual?
Ikaw yung ano.
Anything,
Ikaw.
maybe give us
What?
individual stuff.
Come on,
Big.
come on down. Diyan ikaw.
Ano?
kasi sila meron na silang ano eh.
Hindi, pang dagdag lang yun.
Pandagdag na card.
Sige. Anong gusto mo? Isaan na lang, no?
Isa na lang, one big na.
Ano bang fun?
One big fun. And then, padala yung ano, yung card nila.
Sige.
So, ano yun? Something fun. Ibalik si Bakida.
Ano na naman nangyayari sa'yo, ha?
Oh, ba?
Ano na naman?
Kasi ba ko nakano bigay ko regalo?
Hate you.
Yung ano, concept to.
Fun.
Ganun talaga.
Oo, nakakatawa. Dirty po yun. Something dirty po yun.
Ano yun?
Naughty, fun. Yun din, fun.
Something fun, gawa tayo ng yung parang electric
Baka
fan
po
for pen.
Toothbrush. Toothbrush.
Give him a fun.
Pie
You can
pie.
do a big one of what?
Something pie pie. Fun.
Of what?
Ano?
Kuya, that thing that...
Oh, yun, pero malaki.
Malaking ano?
Parang windy.
Or pwede, walo sila. Ay,
Like a game type?
Oh, gawa ka na lang ng big. Rose? Big rose.
Ano, gawa na lang kayo ng ano, ng jigsaw. Tapos bubuin na lang.
Yeah, jigsaw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Johnny knows what. Johnny. Oh, yung style niya na puzzle.
Ano yun?
Ah,
And then we draw a design.
We draw the design first before we
Both
cut.
are designs?
Oh, designs muna, tapos kakat
Both are
natin.
designs.
No, we'll write on the card, put these pieces together, so they know that they have to put it together.
I know, but usually there's a picture on
Picture here.
for a puzzle.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Let's put both.
Draw something, then cut na lang.
draw si Fifi.
Okay, I'll draw
Hindi nila kilala si
Tingnan
Fifi.
si Fifi.
something.
Something na,
Diba sa looban?
Draw mo elements.
Fifi. Elements.
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 Elements na nasa toilet.
Elements.
nasa looban tayo, meron kang puzzle na ginagawa. Yung sa kahon. Pero gawin natin malaki.
Just go with it.
Pero,
Tapos ipabuo nila.
Oh.
we could just connect.
Ikaw na.
Yeah, we don't have.
Hindi, buuin mo na.
Connect it, like, let's tape it.
Di mo na si Kuya nag-fold job?
Yeah.
Or just make the pieces.
Yan ba ng wake-up call? Para dyan.
Use this for the
O yun na, nagbigay na ako ng idea ko.
Ikaw mo make, ikaw mo make.
Grabe.
Okay, can we make, get a white one?
Kuya, kuya.
Ako rin pala.
Ito.
Ano ngayon pag-listen?
Parang ganyan. Tapos,
Sa looban.
Alright, what else do I need? I'll cut the ribbon. I'll cut. I'll coffee.
no, I was thinking kung paano natin is like, na lang, like, well, let's think of, you want like a kind of big message or? Like, congratulations. My heart just received.
O di ang dali kasi green farmer. Hindi, lagyan na lang natin ng isang...
Picture na.
Yeah.
Tapos na. I Christmas gift to you.
Tama, isa. Sige, tama. Ikaw na naman. Divine. You better. Tapos kami nilang gagawin.
Carlo, let's cut.
You want a cut? Okay.
Yung kay Eting, Gawa ka na sa'yo, Eting.
Pero ito, pwede
Yan na lang
natin
kayo.
i-draw.
Pwede.
And then he's gonna do
Lagyan ang pangalan.
Yeah.
And you guys can do smaller puzzles.
Smaller puzzle. May gunting ba dyan? I don't know. May gunting ba? I don't know how to draw.
Ano gusto yung i-draw ko?
Yung kay Eting na lang, nakiyan natin.
Ano yung i-share?
Oban?